Hello students, welcome to Bitcoin Digital Teaching System. I am a math teacher and today we are learning Countdown 2. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefit from Bitcoin Digital Learning. So like and subscribe my school channel so don't miss any video. You may watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is write the number that comes. So that the number that comes, we can divide it into three categories: before, after, and between. So before category, we can write the before number of the given number. Simply, we can subtract one number from the given number. So we simply find the before number. So let's discuss the before category. So our question is 342. So before 342, we have in counting 341. So simply we can write in blank 341. Next part of this question 861. So 861 we can subtract 1 from 861. So we have solution of 860. So simply we can write in a blank 860. Next part of this question 306. So before 306 we have in counting 305. Simply we can write 305. Next is 5 to 8. So simply we can subtract 5 to 8 to 1. So we have answer 5 to 7. Next part is 430. So 430 we have before 430 in counting 429. So simply we can write 429 the blank. Next part is 610. So before 610 we have 609. So simply we can write 609. You simply subtract 1 from the given value so you can find the before value of the given number. So next part is 100. So before 100 we have 99. Simply we can write in the blank 99. Number H part is 996. So we have 996 before number is 995. So this is all about before category of write the number that comes. So let's discuss about next category that's called after category of write the number that comes is after category. So simply you can add one from the given value to find the after category. Means we have number one question is 129. So simply you can add 1 to the 129. We have given the answer 130. So this is also the after number of 129. Next question is 634. So after 634 we have comes in counting 635. So simply we can write in the blank 635. Next part is 548. So after 548 you have comes 549. So simply you can add in the blank 549. Next part is 499. So simply you can add 1 from the 499 or after counting start counting after 499. So you have answer 500. Next part of this question 217. So we can start counting after 217. So we have 218. Simply we can write 218. Next part is 349. So simply we can start counting or add 1 to 349. So we have answered the final solution of 350. Next part is 109. So after 109 we have comes in counting 110. Next part is 909 means 909. So simply we can add 1 or start counting a 909. So we have answer 910. So this is all about after category of write the number that comes. Third and last category of write the number that comes is between category. So in between category we can simply write the after number of first number or before number of last number. That's we find the between number. Means we have a question 553 dash triple five. So simply we can write the after number of 553 or before number of 5, 5 and 5 to find out the answer. So we have write in blank 554. Next part of this question 799 dash 801. So simply we can write the before number of 801 or after number of 799. So this number is 800. Next part is 319 dash 321. So again we can write the before number of 321 or after number of 319. So we have answer 320. Next part of this question 606. So we have answer 607 and 608. Next part of this question 989. So again we can simply write the before number of 991 or after number of 989. So we have answer 990 means 990. So next part of this question 448 dash 450. So simply we can write the after number of 448 and the after number of 448 is 449. Next part is 232 dash 234. So we can write the before number of 234 and the before number of 234 is 233. Next part is 121 dash 123. So we can write the before number of 123 or after number of 121, that is 122. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answer in the summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain the summer vacation learning project. As 10 marks included in your final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.